Dave's Car Stereo. You never know who might show up. Oh,
yes, sir.
What's up, man? How you doing, bro?
What's up, bro?
All right,
Money
good. Yeah, what's up, man?
Popeye, man. Soul Assassin MC's out of Chicago.
Out of Chicago?
Yes, sir.
Soul Assassin. All y'all on the ground from Chicago, man?
All of us from Chicago, yes, sir.
What's up? How you doing?
What's up?
How you doing? Let's walk through.
Red.
How you doing, young man?
It's good, man.
Red?
Red, man. Hey, fair, man.
What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
This is my PP right here.
What's up, man? How you doing, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing, bro?
Good,
How
man.
goes the ride, man? How goes the ride? Oh, okay. Y'all born to ride and make it happen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So who y'all out here to see? You said you was going for a party.
We came to see you. Get some music. First of all.
Okay.
We're leaving here, going down to Sacktown, other side of darkness, 41st anniversary.
What?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On the ground from Chi-Town.
Well, welcome to California, y'all.
Yes,
Can I get
sir.
y'all a beverage? Y'all need a beverage, some water, some juice or something. We got, you know. Oh, come on over here. Let come on over here now. Yeah, I got water for you. This just came from out of Chi-Town right here.
Man.
And you can tell it was out there. Yeah. So a lot of my friends tell me we should quit right now, but I told them I got a dream and I got some scenarios.
Project and a half there, buddy.
Yeah, so I got some. Let me walk with y'all over here, man. Yeah, the frame is gone. It's all gone. Only thing is good is the VIN and the paperwork that's on the way. Come on over here. Like I was telling people, once you hear this, you can't unhear it.
You can't.
You know what I'm saying? You know, that's all I got to say. Once you hear this, yeah, you know, you're gonna be thinking about me.
Me smiling like I got
Yeah, I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So, you know, but that's what we
We
have.
said, hey man, we done. I ain't doing nothing else to the bike. You know
Yeah,
what I'm
right.
saying? Hey, now next you know, you know what, man. Oh, I was music to my bike.
Don't nobody like you, man.
So like I said, y'all, we out here. My man's from Illinois. In the house. How far you rode, young man?
Man, all the way from Chicago, Illinois.
Okay, hear that, Steve? I got some more friends in Chicago, Steve. They came out here just to see what's going on. My man over here is prospecting, but man, how long before you get your full colors, man? How long they say, man? How many miles you got to put? You got to shake everybody's president's hands? What you got to do, man?
I got some procedures I got to go through.
Got some procedures to get in?
So once I finish those procedures,
Uh-huh.
then, you know, I hopefully get voted in,
Uh-huh.
you know, become part of the family.
Okay, for sure. They gonna do their background checks on you and see if you worthy of the patch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, put your time in, make it happen, young man.
Oh, man, without question.
For sure.
Talk to him, man. Tell him about it.
Yeah, so, man. So yeah, where I heading to now, man?
Vallejo.
California. Okay, I might have to take a break and get out there. So where y'all going to the other side of darkness?
41st anniversary.
First ever. Y'all hear that now? They getting down. They doing a meet and greet tonight or tomorrow?
Meet and greet is tomorrow. They having a set night at the Four Horsemen Clubhouse tonight.
Uh-huh.
Meet and greet tomorrow, and then they're having a day party Saturday.
Okay. So if y'all don't know, the other side of darkness is getting down. Hey, be there, be square. That's what I heard.
Right?
That's right. They came from Chicago.
We there. Big Money Rock.
Hey, y'all here? We out of there. We gotta go. I know some people who know some people.